Bullish Lisk cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $4.43 and $8.37 by 2030. Market experts accept LSK could reach $3.44 by 2025. Bearish Lisk market cost expectation for 2023 is 78 cents. Lisk presentation. With respect to the eventual fate of LSK and a cost expectation for the following decade, we will investigate both our own and the market's viewpoints in this. If it's not too much trouble, recollect that making a value expectation is troublesome. Not to mention making these cost forecasts about the fate of a fresh out-of-the-box new, incredibly unpredictable monetary resource like Lisk. Think about this and some other forecasts while taking other factors into consideration. How about we get moving at this point? Before we dive into the Lisk cost expectation and address worries about regardless of whether LSK is a brilliant speculation, why LSK will succeed or come up short, or why the cost of Lisk will increment or diminishing, we should momentarily investigate what LSK is and its set of experiences doing this point. What is Lisk? With the objective of everybody benefited from the blockchain. Lisk is an environment of composable blockchain applications. With Lisk, engineers might make decentralized applications from the beginning, including their plan, improvement, posting in the dApp store, circulation, and adaptation. It is the first completely JavaScript-composed decentralized arrangement. The Lisk sidechain agreement usefulness supports every one of them. Lisk doesn't deal with the blockchain dApp stage like Google Play or Macintosh Store since it works straightforwardly on numerous PCs on the public blockchain. The Lisk network comprises of a RDID blockchain, handling hubs, distributed storage, and savvy gets, all from a solitary business arrangement. The product advancement unit empowers the engineers to make the application for the overall population without the requirement for additional skill without any problem. Lisk's own computerized money is known as LSK. Clients might pay utilizing the site's coordinated receipt framework with Lisk token or Bitcoin to get to all the cloud highlights. Clients are charged contrastingly by Lisk for their exchanges when they register as a client, a second passphrase, or a representative. Lisk Principal Investigation. Max Cortex and Oliver Beddoes laid out Lisk in 2016. Its principal office is in Switzerland. The debut coin offering utilizes around 14,000 bitcoins. With 15 experts, it is a strong association with space for long-haul development. Consistently, Lisk refreshes its true site with new data about organization funds and achievements. Lisk has isolated its course plan into 5 segments: Jewel, Emerald, Sapphire, and Golden, as indicated by measurements from the earlier month. Lisk entered the Sapphire stage on August 21, 2021, when it arrived at the degree of Emerald. Lisk is a drawn-out venture that will pay off because of its continuous innovative turn of events, updates, and development. At the finish of the Emerald stage, 36 Lisk improvement ideas were given. Lisk has progressed from mainnet v2 to v3, which incorporates another God address Conspire. Lisk has concurrences with enormous organizations for market extension and item advancement. The Lightbend is utilized for showcasing and research. The Bitcoin Suis is utilized for exchanging and liquidation. The Lucrise money is utilized for bookkeeping, and so on. The business has partaken in INATBA, the Crypto Valley affiliation, and the Swiss Blockchain Organization. For engineers and entrepreneurs who need to make blockchain applications utilizing the Lisk SDK, Lisk has begun an award program. Lisk remunerates clients who report framework issues and issues. In September 2021, the enterprise had resources of around $133,977,131.98. Lisk specialized examination. Regardless of whether it is hard to give 100% precise specialized examination to the LSK, TradingView's strong specialized investigation capability permits you to see the joined LSK trade rating progressively for the set time span. The most generally utilized specialized pointers, moving midpoints, oscillators, and turns structure the groundwork of the LSK USD investigation. Lisk is at present worth 98 cents USD. LSK has moved 2.53% as of now with an exchanging volume of $26,747,964. Lisk is at present positioned 187 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $124,510,354 USD. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize continuous Lisk market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in view of current market movement. Lisk Value Expectation 2023. Lisk, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing digital currencies to rise this year. The LSK cost estimate for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to $1.48. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be steady, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging $1.38 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is attainable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. LSK is supposed to have a base worth of $1.18. Lisk Value Forecast 2024. In 2024, Lisk Lsk cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of LSK will before long outperform $2.46. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold back to check whether the LSK's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, LSK will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $1.97 and a typical exchanging cost of $2.17. Lisk Value Forecast 2025. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $3.44 and LSK might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. LSK is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $3.15 and a low of $2.95 in 2025. Lisk Value Expectation 2026. Assuming Lisk effectively supports market feeling among cryptographic money devotees, the LSK coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, LSK will be green in 2026. The LSK is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $4.43, with a base cost of $3.94 and a typical cost of $4.13. Lisk Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the LSK cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $5.12 by 2027, with a base cost of $4.92 anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, LSK has a most extreme value worth of $5.41. Lisk Value Expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $6.10. On the off chance that LSK figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of $6.40. Neglecting to assemble the help LSK needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $5.91. Lisk Value Forecast 2029. While LSK is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $6.89 and a yearly cost close above $7.38 in 2029. Lisk Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Lisk will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $7.87 and possibly arrive at a greatest value worth of $8.37, averaging out at $8.07. Lisk Value Forecast 2031. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking.